Today we're going to be unboxing the Sticky Wallet. Let's go. This thing is going to hold all of your cards and all of your cash. First thing, peel off the sticky on the back. Take the back of your phone case. Cards go in the top pocket like this. Fold them once, fold them again, outside pocket, stick them in like that, the cover, wrap it over like that. It's got all your cash, all your cards. It's even got a unique finger strap here for kind of a extra grip type functionality. So the other thing I also love, just keep your AirPods stuck right in here like this. And you can even pop them all the way inside. And one more thing,